Welcome to I Want Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the scallops and bacon paella. The ingredients for the scallops and bacon paella of today are paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, bacon, scallops, our paella spices, paprika, saffron and paella mix, and of course our fish stock. Let's start making the scallops and bacon paella. Let's start by adding our bacon. Okay guys, while that paella keeps cooking, don't forget that we have the paella kits, paella pan, paella burner and legs. We have the ingredients for the paella, we have the spices for the paella, we have Spanish wine, Spanish beer, barbecue accessories and paella accessories at iwantpaella.eu. We also have our paella blog where you can find all of our recipes. So don't forget to visit our webpage and our paella blog at iwantpaella.eu. While bacon cooks, let's add our onion and garlic. Okay, we're gonna leave our bacon and our onion and garlic to simmer for a while. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's mix up those ingredients for a bit. Let's add some paprika. Let's add half an envelope of paella mix. Let's add 300 grams paella rice because we're making 3 portions. Mix it up. Lovely color. And let's add 900 milliliters of fish stock. Slowly. Something like that. A bit more. There you go. Let's give it a bit of a shake to distribute all those ingredients. Lovely. At this moment, I'm gonna turn on the outer paella ring. Let's take this opportunity to add Okay, we seem to have come to a nice boil. We're gonna reduce our paella burner power down to 50%. Something like that. We want our paella to keep simmering. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Lovely. Okay, at this point, we're gonna try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Okay, that rice is around 40%, so we have some way to go. We're leaving the scallops at the end because they're gonna cook rather quickly. Today we're using the half-shell scallops. See, when the paella is like this, they have a lot of small bubbles, you know that it's cooking perfectly. Okay. Bit more of a shake. Ooh, lovely. Okay guys, it's a good time to add our scallops. And we're gonna add the juice from the scallops as well, extra flavor. Let's give it another shake. There you go. You want all the stock to get into the scallop shells. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. That rice is around 60 to 65%, so we have a few minutes to go. That tastes delicious, guys. I've decreased our paella burner power down to 30% since we only have a couple of minutes to go. Another little shake. Alright. And let's try the rice. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place here, for instance. Okay guys, that rice is around 90%. I'm turning off the paella burner as we speak. I'm gonna give it the last shake and then I'm gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, here you have our bacon and scallops paella. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve the scallops and bacon paella. That looks delicious, guys. A bit more. There you have it. A proper portion of scallops and bacon paella. Okay guys, that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this bacon and scallops paella. Don't forget to visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.